Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today's song is on the ukulele, so let's get started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. We're going to use the capo on the first fret, so if you guys got one, go ahead and place it there. We're going to be using a total of 5 chords. First chord is a C, then to a G, A minor, F, and then also a D minor. Okay, so C, G, A minor, F, and then D minor. For majority of the song, it's going to be the 4 chords C, G, A minor, and F. So I don't know the words, but you guys get that? Now you can do down strums, you can also do down up strums. Okay. And what else you can do is do a little finger ticking. You guys can hit these 2 dominant strings of each chord, and then also the second string. So these 2 and this one. So you're gonna go. You can also do that too. Now the other different thing which you're going to use the D minor is the bridge. So that one also same thing, you could do just down strums. So that chord progression there is D minor to A minor and then to G. You can do that 2 times. So and then it goes right back into the regular progression. So for that D minor, A minor, however you want to do it, you can do that. You can do the down up strums. Okay. And then on that G, you're going to hold that twice as long. Or you can also do the finger picking. So. Do it again. And then go back into the regular. Okay. Now you guys can get going and start playing the song. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.